Welcome back, everyone. Tonight we're going to draw Chimecho. Of course, I screwed up on the last one. And tonight, I'm not going to botch it this time. Anyway, Chimecho was once one of Team Rocket's Pokemon. And of course, I still miss the little guy. I feel like he does as well. I feel like Chimecho misses them as well. Anyways, Chimecho has this special bulb on top of his head that allows him to stick to walls. Plus, he's got 0 gravity powers, even though he's a psychic type. Anyway, drawing this guy should be easy. Now we draw this long scarf on his that he uses as a weapon. And finished. That's how you draw Chimecho.